Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your left front burner tubing assembly. The reason why I would have to do this is because the tubing is cracked, causing gas to leak. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/2-inch wrench, a putty knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, a ratchet with a 5/8-inch socket, and 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. And I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line, and I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the grates from the top of the stove, as well as the burners and the burner caps. And now I have to remove all the burner screws from the stovetop. Now that I've got all the screws off, I'm going to be using a putty knife, sticking it in the side right here. There's going to be a little clip. Push it in on it, and lift up on the stovetop. We're going to find that clip, push in, and lift up. Lift up the back so it goes over the tabs, and then you can remove it just like that. So as you can see here, this is our tube assembly. It's actually completely broken from the nut that goes onto this. The nut is actually one piece and it's no longer attached. So we're going to have to take all this apart. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off that nut gem to get this bracket off, because we'll be needing this for the new part. So I'll be using a 5/8 socket. There we go. Now once that's loose, take it off by hand. And then I can set the bracket off to the side. I can also set the broken pipe to the side. Now you can grab your new front left tube assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now I'll be using a 1/2-inch wrench, and I'm going to remove the old nut. Once I've got it unscrewed a little bit, I can remove it the rest of the way by hand. Just like that. Make sure no little stray pieces go anywhere. So now we're going to put our new one back on. And I'm going to screw that on as much as I can by hand. And once I've got it tight on there, finish it the rest of the way with my 1/2-inch wrench. And make sure you don't over tighten it. You don't want to over tighten it, because that'll also cut off this piece of pipe. Or if you bend it too much, that'll break the pipe as well. Now I'll put the bracket back on, making sure to line up that flat part there with the flat part on that screw part right there. And I'll get our nut jam, screw that back on. And I've got it as tight as I can by hand. So I'll use the ratchet and tighten it the rest of the way. Keep in mind when you're tightening it, just hold on to that bracket again so that the pipe doesn't twist or bend anyway and break. There we go. And now we can put the rest back together. So now we're going to set the range top back down, and I'm going to make sure that I get this lip on the back on top of these tabs right here. And once I do that, just make sure it's nice and flush against the back and push it down so it clips in. So now what I'm going to do, because these aren't completely lined up, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'm going to just grab a small piece wherever I can, line up the holes, and screw it back in. Now that that's all screwed down, I can put our burners and burner caps back into place. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. Tighten it the rest of the way with our channel locks. There we go. In case your adapter is spinning inside, I want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. Now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.